Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, so continue watching. So shout out to Isee Hair Company for sending over this unit. This is their half wig that they sent. So they sent me a wig care card, a wig cap. This is like all the information that you would need from them on this paper that I'm showing you guys, an adjustable band and a melt band as well. So this is the wig in 24 inches. This is their Bermuse Curly Half Wig. So this is how it looks straight out the box. I'm just showing you guys the combs that come inside the wig. This is drawstring, so you can tighten it, loosen it. It will fit your head no matter how big, how small. So that is the good thing about it. It also has this band inside. This is a wear and go wig, guys, so you can adjust it as well. But look how pretty these curls are. So this is their Bermuse Curly. The ends are like a spiral curly, super cute. So jumping straight into this tutorial, I just went ahead and parted my hair from ear to ear using a tail comb. So the front portion I will be braiding down into this little style, and the back portion I'm just gonna put away. So first things first, I decided I wanted to leave some hair out, so I just brushed out some hair to leave out as my baby hairs. And then I went ahead and started parting out the front portion of my hair. So I did decide I was going to be using some gummy wax instead of the regular ebon edge control that I normally use. So I did this in sections just to make sure the braids were where I wanted them to be. So I sectioned out the first portion. I think I did about 3 braids in this top section. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. This is not a how-to, but just showing you guys how I am braiding my hair. So when I braid the hair, I am going to put an elastic band. I'm not going to braid it all the way down to the end, but just to where the part is, and then I'm going to add the elastic band. So as you can see, where the part is when I parted the hair in half is where I am now attaching the rubber band. And I'm just going to continue this process until the front portion of my hair is done. So guys, this is how it is looking at the front now that I finished braiding it. I decided to go in with my mini flat iron just to do my edges real quick. So I'm just curling them right now. Then I went in with my 24-hour ebon edge control just to mold them in place. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the back portion. So what I did was I braided my hair in about 5 braids going straight back. I worked from one end to the next. So you don't even have to braid down your hair. Because my hair is really long, I decided it would be a lot easier for me if I just braided it down into these 5 braids. But because the half wig that we're putting on is curly, like, you guys won't even notice it. Like, these are some big braids I put in and trust me, you won't even notice that it's braided like that. So it is optional if you wanted to braid down your hair, but that's what I did. So once I finished braiding down my hair, I just attached a black rubber band to it so it doesn't unravel. And this is basically how it looks, guys. I'm telling you, some big braids, that's all. You can even do 2 braids if you wanted to. But now we're gonna get into this half wig. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I put this on, because it's like there's no lace on this wig whatsoever. It's like invisible. So I just used the combs and put them in my hair. I put one in the middle, one at the back, and the 2 at the sides. Stuck that in my braids right behind the elastic band. So I mean, realistically, you can keep it like this. If you didn't want to do any more work, you can just keep it like this, because nothing is showing. The hair is doing what it needs to do. But I did see a hack on TikTok, and this is what we're gonna do, guys. I'm taking the crochet needle, putting it through the elastic band, and then taking a piece of hair from the top of this unit and pulling it through that rubber band. This allows it to be more seamless, guys, because now it looks like the curl is coming through the elastic band instead of just sitting right at the back of the band, if that makes sense. So instead of having your own hair left out in the elastic, now we can do this with no leave out and use the curl from the wig. Like, I seen this hack on TikTok, and I'm telling you, it was one of the best things I've seen. I wish I could remember whose video it was, but guys, this is great. So I basically just did this to a couple of the braids that are at the front, just because you can't see the sides because the curly hair is literally falling on the sides. So I didn't find it necessary to have to do this, but I did do it on a couple braids at the top. I do wish that I did pull out more hair on the first 2 braids that I did, but it was fine. So right now I'm just combing through the curls with my fingers. So this is how it looks in its natural state, guys. I love fluffy hair, big hair, especially curls. So this is how it's looking, and I loved it. Like, this was amazing. But for the sake of the video, of course, I'm gonna show you guys with the curls being defined. So I did go in with some mousse. This is Tresemme, the brand that I used, and I'm just spreading that all throughout the hair because I still don't want the hair to be super wet. So I added the mousse first to see how it was looking, and then I went ahead and used some water after that. Love that for me. So I just did the same thing to the opposite side, and that was basically it for this look, guys. I loved this hairstyle. I did something similar with bigger braids, but let me know what you guys think, because I think this half wig is coming back real strong, and I love it for me because I'm not really like, you know, I love a natural look. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this look. Let me know if you guys have tried it, because I've seen a lot of people doing it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. The link to this unit will be down in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out and see if you guys see anything you guys like. But I hope you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.